Are you thinking of starting a juice fast? If so, there are a few things you need to avoid to have a successful juice cleanse. In this video, I'm going to share with you the 7 biggest mistakes people make when juice fasting and how to avoid them. Trust me, you don't want to make these mistakes. 7. Only using fruits. Many people do one thing during a juice fast. They use only fruits and not vegetables or greens. While using fruits is a great way to kick off a fast, if you only use fruits, you're consuming too much natural sugar that will slow down your weight loss. During a juice fast, you have to use about a 3-to-1 vegetable to fruit ratio to have a perfectly healthy juice fast. Vegetables contain more nutrients and fiber, which is important to help you feel full and have energy. 6. Getting too few calories. If you aren't eating any solid food, you need to make sure you're getting enough calories. A common mistake is not calculating the calories in the produce. This can lead to a loss of energy and mood swings. Most people require anywhere from 2,000 to 3,000 calories per day. If you are very active, you may need more. To supplement your calories, you need to double your juice intake in the morning. Drinking 2 full glasses of nutrient-packed juice for breakfast would be enough to kickstart your energetic day. 5. Using the same ingredients every day. Another common mistake people make is to use the same ingredients every day. You want to use a variety of vegetables and fruits so you get a wide range of nutrients. If you do a 7-day fast, for example, you want to have a variety of ingredients every day to keep your taste buds happy. Otherwise, you're probably going to get sick of it. You can also become nutrient deficient when you drink the same thing every day. So, try to mix up your fruits and vegetables daily. 4. Not supplementing with fat or protein. A lot of people who begin a juice fast don't want or don't know how to add fat or protein to their diet. If you aren't adding fat or protein to your diet, you will feel lethargic, weak, and extremely hungry. Well, obviously, you don't want to add tuna, salmon, or almonds to your juice recipe. You can use chia or flax seeds as a way to add fat or protein and some extra healthy fiber. Before we move on and tell you the next juice fasting mistake most people make, consider subscribing to the channel if you've enjoyed the video so far. We frequently upload such helpful, healthy diet videos. And while you are at it, give this video a big thumbs up. Let's continue. 3. Drinking pesticides and chemicals. Using fruits and veggies from conventional crops is never a good idea. Such fruits and vegetables are grown using heavy doses of pesticides and chemicals that are likely to cause you belly issues. So, if you want to detox, you definitely want to drink organic juices squeezed out of organic crops that are free from any such chemicals or pesticides. 2. Not hydrating. Another mistake people make while fasting is not hydrating their bodies enough. Your water needs are not going to be fulfilled just by drinking juice. Your body needs pure water as well. Of course, you don't have to drink 8 glasses of water per day during a juice fast. You just have to drink enough water so your urine is clear or a light yellow color. If your urine is dark yellow, you're not drinking enough water. 1. Cleansing and caffeine. Most people think that coffee is a liquid, so it is suitable for a juice fast. However, it is not. Caffeine is a diuretic, which means it can dehydrate your body. So your daily coffee is off the table when you are juice fasting. Although, you do not need to quit your caffeine intake just like that. You can taper its amount every day. Drink half the amount of coffee you drank the previous day, and you'll be good to go. Now that you know the 7 biggest juice fasting mistakes, you can avoid them and have a perfect juice fast. Have you ever made any of these mistakes while juice fasting? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.